Hello everyone, I'm Baljo and I have the pleasure of serving as the captain here at Melia Desert Palm Signature Steakhouse. Each day, when I step into the restaurant, I carry one clear mission with me. That's to ensure that every guest leaves with a smile, not just satisfied, but truly cared for. As a captain, my role goes beyond taking orders and managing the floor. It's about leading by example, setting the pace of the team, and creating a dining experience that reflects warmth, professionalism, and attention to detail. Guest satisfaction is not just about what's on the plate, it's about how we make people feel valued, welcome, and relaxed. That means listening actively, responding with empathy, and staying attentive even in the busiest moments. To me, guest satisfaction is not a target, it's a culture, a mindset we carry through every greeting, every course, and every farewell. Hospitality is more than delivering food. It's about creating moments people will remember, and that starts behind the scenes with leadership that's present, passionate, and being consistent. Like how our general manager always reminds us, you are not just a captain or a server, you are a host. Think of it this way. When we welcome guests into our hotel, it should feel the same as welcoming someone into our own house. The care, the attention to detail, and the warmth, it's all the same. We treat them not as customers, but as visitors to our house. Thank you for the trust. It's a privilege to lead this team and be part of every special guest. Let's keep delivering excellence, one table at a time. With that spirit, I tell to all of you, welcome to my home.